All right, so this is Max here with LSX Atlanta. And basically, just letting you guys know we love working on Corvettes. This is my red one. This is the customer's vehicle here. It's a supercharged one. And basically, he has a E85 setup, straight E85, no flex fuel setup, supercharged, A&A kit. This one's here for maintenance. It's another C5Z. And it's got 17,000 miles on it. So he's here for maintenance, changing his valve springs because they tend to break on the Z06s, especially the O2s. This one's here for some work, basically maintenance work. And then also same thing with this one. This is a twin turbo C6 Z06. And he's here for a little bit of maintenance and some repairs. And we also do the upgrades. Like this one right here has got a Texas Speed Stage 3 cam in it with a Circle D stall to match his cam. And the other one we got at the end here, the customer installed the supercharger himself, but we do them here. He brought it here for tuning. He's got the A&A kit on this one also. So we install the A&A kits, the ECS kits, or even the Pro Charger kits that come straight from Pro Charger. And you guys can give us a call. You can go to our website, lsxatlanta.com, or give us a call at the shop, 678-880-9237.